So this was the road that we needed to take. So let's do that. I mean, just look at this view, man. The view through this place is just breathtaking, you know. So you see how muddy these roads are, and mud tends to make the roads very slippery. So you have to be very attentive on these roads where the roads, because of the flowing water and the eroded soil, tends to get deposited on the roads, making the roads slippery. My God, Uber hill climb. Pretty steep for sure, but we are doing good. The village is beautiful and we are all excited. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you all are liking this video so far. If you are, care to let me know about it by throwing a thumbs up, or even better, if you comment on the channel, if you comment on the video, and for sure, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The kind of roads that I'm going through right now, it kind of is reminding me of my village, where the roads are thin. Let me take this turn.